Down in the alley, the lights burn low. Street cats sleep where cold winds blow. I got a heart that's heavy with time, and a pocket full of borrowed rhymes. The city hums a lonesome cry, while I keep asking reasons why. A harmonica moans from down the street, the sound of pain, soft and sweet. I play my guitar to chase the ghost of all the things I love the most. This alley knows my every tear, and still I come back year to year. Take my soul, burn it down, make me whole. Through the shadows and the sin, I play the blues again and again. Every note's a piece of me, drifting slow in minor key. They say the blues don't lie at night, but baby, sure don't make it right. If sorrow's truth, then I confess I'm a sinner of loneliness. So I'll play till morning comes, till my fingers go and my heart turns numb. Blue Smoke Alley knows my name, and every note still sounds the same. Every night I sit alone and play, hoping my pain will fade away. Every note cuts my heart in two. Your smile still haunts the chord I choose. Each song a memory I can't lose. The crowd can't see the scars I wear, but they feel the ache that's always there. I bend the strings till my soul bleeds through, playing the truth I learned from you. If music heals, I'm still unhealed. This blues is all that's left revealed. Tears on my guitar, that's my prayer. The only truth I can still bear. The sound of heartbreak never lies. It lives in every note that cries. Love once sweet, now bittersweet. This broken song repeats. The lights go down, the bar runs dry, but I still play. I don't know why. The blues ain't pain, it's how I breathe. The only peace I still believe. So let the strings tell what I can't say. The tears will wash my sins away. And if tomorrow never starts, these tears will play my final part. I've been standing at this crossroad, baby, since the night you said goodbye. The rain keeps falling steady, but my tears refuse to dry. The road ahead feels endless, and the road behind's the same. Now I'm walking slow through thunder, whispering your name. My shoes are worn from running, from the ghosts that never sleep. Your memory cuts so deep inside, a wound I'll never keep. I left my pride on the highway and my soul back in your eyes. Now I'm just a traveler broken star. Guitar's my preacher, tears my prayer, and the blues still echo everywhere. I gave you love, you gave me pain. Now I'm just singing in the rain. The night wind hums like a memory tune. The stars above fade away too soon. My shadow stretches tired and long, while my soul burns through every song. I'd sell my soul for one more night, just to hold you in that fading light. Maybe the devil's got my name. Maybe I'm just to blame. But every note I play tonight sets my lonely heart aflame. The crossroads haunts a haunting line, and I can't tell which road is mine. Now the dawn is creeping slow, but my heart won't let you go. The road keeps turning wild and wide, and I keep bleeding blues inside. Crossroad heart still beats true. Every tear still shines for you. I packed my bags in the pouring rain, trying to outrun the sound of your name. Each mile I drive feels heavy and long, and the radio keeps playing our song. The sky's a mirror of my pain, dark clouds whisper where you've been. Headlights blur through the tears I hide. The wind's my only friend tonight. I left behind what I can't forget, just a fool on the highway of regret. Every exit sign feels like fate, but I keep rolling far too late. time the morning breaks, I'll be gone for heaven's sake. Highway of regret, my only friend, where love begins and blues don't end. I pack my bags in the pouring rain, trying to outrun the sound of your name. Each mile I drive feels heavy and long, and the radio keeps playing our song. The sky's a mirror of my pain, dark clouds whisper where you've been. Headlights blur through the tears I hide. The wind's my only friend tonight. I left behind what I can't forget, just a fool on a highway of regret. Every exit sign feels like fate, but I keep rolling far too late. Each line on the road's a memory. Every night I sit alone and play, hoping my pain will fade away. But every string still sounds like you. Every note cuts my heart in two. Your smile still haunts the chord I choose. Each song a memory I can't lose. The crowd can't see the scars I wear, but they feel the ache that's always there. I bend the strings till my soul bleeds through, playing the truth I learned from you. If music heals, I'm still unhealed. This blues is all that's left revealed. Tears on my guitar, that's my prayer. The only truth I can still bear. The sound of heartbreak never lies. It lives in every note that cries. Love once sweet, now bittersweet. This broken song repeats, repeats. The lights go down, the bar runs dry, but I still play. I don't know why. The blues ain't pain, it's how I breathe. The only peace I still believe. So let the strings tell what I can't say. The tears will wash my sins away. And if tomorrow never starts, these tears will play my final part. Down in the alley, the lights burn low. Street cats sleep where cold winds blow. I got a heart that's heavy with time, and a pocket full of borrowed rhymes. The city hums a lonesome cry, while I keep asking reasons why. Harmonic moans from down the street. The sound of pain, soft and sweet. I play my guitar to chase the ghosts of all the things I love the most. This alley knows my every tear, and still I come back year to year. Smoke alley, take my soul, burn it down, make me whole. Through the shadows and the sin, I play the blues again and again. Yeah, every note's a piece of me, drifting slow. They say the blues don't lie at night, but baby, it sure don't make it right. If sorrow's true, then I confess I'm a sinner of loneliness. So I'll play till morning comes, till my fingers go and my heart turns numb. Blue smoke alley knows my name, and every note still sounds the same. My soul's half gone. Been here strumming all night long. Every chord's a memory, every note's a sin. I play the same song again and again. Your laughter lingers in my veins, sweet poison I can't contain. Smoke wraps all around the stage. Your name still burns across my page. My hands are shaking, but the music's real. Every string still makes me feel. You were the melody I can't replay, the love that left but made me stay. Whiskey strings, they talk for me, telling the truth I can't let free. Heartache comes through every line, and the night still tastes like you and wine. If pain's a song, I'll play it twice, 'cause nothing hurts this good or nice. My song, here's my cry to the woman I can't deny. I'll strum till dawn and fade away, with whiskey strings to guide my my souls have gone. Been here strumming, man, all night long. Every chord's a memory, every note's a sin. I play the same song again and again. Your laughter lingers in my veins, a sweet poison I can't contain. The smoke wraps soft around the stage. Your name still burns across my page. My hands are shaking, but the music's real. Every string still makes me feel. You were the melody I can't replay, the love that left but made me stay. Whiskey strings, they talk for me, telling the truth I can't let free. Heartache hums through every line, and the night still tastes like you and wine. If pain's a song, I'll play it twice, 'cause nothing hurts as good or nice. The crowd is gone, but I still sing, for love, for loss, for everything. Each solo band's what words can't say, as my soul slowly fades away. And when the whiskey hits just right, your ghost appears in candlelight. So here's my song, here's my cry, to the woman I can't deny. I'll strum till dawn and fade away with whiskey strings to guide my way. I've been standing at this crossroad, baby, since the night you said goodbye. The rain keeps falling steady, but my tears refuse to dry. The road ahead feels endless, and the road behind's the same. Now I'm walking slow through thunder, whispering your name. My shoes are worn from running from the ghosts that never sleep. Your memory cuts so deep inside, a wound I'll never keep. I left my pride on the highway and my soul back in your eyes. Guitar's my preacher, tears my prayer, and the blues still echo everywhere. I gave you love, you gave me pain. Now I'm just singing the rain. The night wind hums like a memory tune. The stars above fade way too soon. My shadow stretches tired and long, while my soul burns through every song. I'd sell my soul for one more night, just to hold you in that fading light. Maybe the devil's got my name, maybe I'm just to blame, but every note I play tonight sets my lonely heart aflame. The crossroads hums a haunted line, and I can't tell which road is mine. Now the dawn is creeping slow, but my heart won't let you go. The road keeps turning wild and wide, and I keep bleeding blues inside. Crossroad heart still beats true. Every tear still shines for you.